In this beginner's guide, I'll show you how to screen mirror or cast your Windows laptop or computer display to your Hisense 4K Google TV in two different ways, either wirelessly by using the built-in screen sharing or by using a wired connection. First, let's see how you can mirror your Windows display wirelessly to your Hisense TV. For this to work properly, first make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi on both devices. And after that, on your Hisense Google TV, go to the App Store and open the screen sharing app. You'll have to keep this open or else your TV won't show up. Now on your Windows device, you'll need to open the cast option. To open it, you can click here on your taskbar and here should be the cast option. If you don't find it, then tap on this edit button, then add and select cast. Now you can press done and launch cast. You can also open it using the shortcut which is Windows K. Now your Hisense TV will pop up instantly here. And to connect, all you need to do is click on it. Within a second, you'll see this pop-up animation and it will start mirroring on your Hisense TV. And as you can see here, by default, it will open as duplicate or mirrored display. If you choose extend display, then you'll be able to use your Hisense TV as a separate desktop and you can move applications or windows between these displays. You can also turn off your Windows device's display and only use your Hisense TV by selecting second screen only. In this wireless method, you won't be able to use your TV until you stop mirroring. So to do that, you can either select disconnect from the cast menu or simply press the home button on your TV. And now you can start using your TV once again. But if you want your laptop to stay connected and switch whenever you want between your laptop and your TV, then the wired option is the most suitable for you. For that, you'll just need an HDMI cable, then connect your laptop and TV together. And right after you connect them, you'll see the same animation on your laptop. And on your TV, just press the input button to open the input menu, and then select your HDMI port. Now to open all the different modes that you had in wireless mode, you'll need to go to Display Settings. So just right click here and tap on Display Settings. Then click on this drop down menu to switch between the modes. And in this wired method, you'll be able to use your TV freely while your Windows device is still connected. And that's how you can screen share your Windows display to your Hisense 4K Google TV. So make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more guides, and I'll see you in the next one.